Alright guys, I'm gonna make my final video here. Short and sweet. I want to give a massive thanks to you guys watching my vlogs. Now I'm filming this ahead of time because the day of me leaving, obviously I'm gonna have everything packed up and I'll be traveling, so I'm not gonna have any time to post anything. I just want to say this. Thank you so much for the new subscribers and all that stuff. Now, whether you guys stick around after Computex or after these travel vlogs or whatever, it doesn't matter. At this current moment, I just want to say thank you for watching my content and leaving your comments and questions and other good stuff. As you guys saw, it is a lot of work to do these events, right? And just they take up a lot of time. Just being stuck in the room, obviously, to get it done. It just, as you can see, it's a lot of work, right? And the fact that you guys, like my videos, you guys left comments and suggestions of what I can do, where I can find resources or, supermarkets or whatever, it was a massive help, and it was a big surprise for me that I got that response. So to all that, I want to say thank you, right? I really, really appreciate it. So anyways, this is the end of my video series here in Taiwan. As you watch this video, I'm already flying home, and I'm gonna go back to doing my normal scheduled stuff back at home, which is mainly me doing weekend videos, movie reviews. I do tutorials. I take suggestions if there's something you want to learn in particular with editing. I do respond to you. I'll make tutorials and share what I know as I learn it, and so on and so forth, right? So, and I do live streams on Sundays. Play video games mainly as I hang out. So yeah, my channel is more about a friendly hangout environment. That's mainly what I'm trying to do with my YouTube channel. Thank you so much again, guys. All right, it truly was a good experience me doing this. It did add more work time, but I gotta admit, it was worth it, all right? Thank you so much, peace.